I'm standing in this bright, inviting kitchen, surrounded by natural ingredients. Hello, beauty enthusiasts and DIY lovers. Today, we're diving into the world of natural beauty, showing you how to whip up your very own beauty products right from the comfort of your home. From a rejuvenating face mask to a nourishing hair treatment and a refreshing body scrub, we've got you covered. So, let's get started and embrace the natural glow together. Avocado and honey face mask. Let's start with these ingredients displayed on the counter: ripe avocado, raw honey, and a small bowl. First up, we have an ultra-moisturizing avocado and honey face mask. Perfect for dry skin, this mask combines the hydrating properties of honey with the rich, nourishing oils of avocado. Mix half an avocado and 2 tablespoons of honey in a bowl. Apply this creamy mixture to your face, leave it on for about 15 minutes, and then rinse with warm water. Your skin will thank you for the hydration boost. Coconut oil hair treatment. The ingredients on display are extra virgin coconut oil, a small jar, and a shower cap. Next, let's talk about hair care. Our coconut oil hair treatment is a game changer for anyone with dry or damaged hair. Melt a few tablespoons of coconut oil until it's just warm. Massage the oil into your hair, from roots to tips. Wrap your hair with a shower cap and let the oil work its magic for at least an hour. Then, shampoo as usual. You'll notice softer, shinier hair after just one treatment. Coffee sugar body scrub. The ingredients are ready on the counter: ground coffee, sugar, coconut oil, and a mixing bowl. Last but not least, our invigorating coffee sugar body scrub. This scrub not only exfoliates but also helps improve circulation and can reduce the appearance of cellulite. Combine a cup of ground coffee, half a cup of sugar, and enough coconut oil to get a paste-like consistency. In the shower, gently rub this mixture on your body in circular motions, focusing on rough areas. Rinse off to reveal smooth, glowing skin. Here is the finished product. And there you have it. 3 easy, natural beauty products you can make with ingredients you probably already have in your kitchen. Not only are these DIYs cost-effective, but they also allow you to control what goes on your skin. So, give them a try and let us know how they work for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural beauty tips. Here's to glowing skin, luscious locks, and a radiant you. Until next time, keep glowing.